Hi everyone, I'm Chad. Welcome to Maker's Bench. So this is going to be another constraint video. This is our sketch constraint video. This time we're going to talk about the concentric constraint. Concentric is really just getting the 2 points of two circles or an arc, center point of an arc and a circle, getting those center points right on top of each other so that if you have circles, they're evenly distributed and they're concentric to each other. Just like an arc, if you want to get an arc so that it's on the center point and follows a circle or something, that's what the concentric constraint is for. So let's get into that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two circles. I'll draw a circle here, and I'm going to draw a circle here. Now, these two circles are not concentric. Their center points are not on top of each other. So what you can do is you can use the concentric constraint. You can click this circle and this circle, and just like that, these circles are now concentric. If you move them around, they move together. You can still change the sizes of the circles independently of each other, but that is the very simplest and most easy way to explain concentric. That's what concentric does, and that's how you can make concentric constraints. Another thing that you can do is if you have a line that's running across, let's say it comes across here, and you put an arc somewhere out here, and you come down at another whatever, and you want this arc to be concentric with these circles. It's the same thing, concentric, concentric, and now everything is concentric to each other. This is all going to move together. So that's really it for concentric. There's not a whole lot to that one either, but again, when used properly, you can certainly eliminate dimensions. Because you can do all kinds of stuff to get circles to be concentric. You could use the coincident constraint to put the center points of the circles together. That would work as well. But concentric's a nice way to do it, and it's nice because you get your symbols here that show you which constraint you've used. And if you've got the same coincident constraints, like if, let's just say for real quick here, we'll put a circle and a circle. And let's say I use the coincident. It doesn't show it there until you hover over the points, and then it shows your coincident constraint that's on there. But when you do the concentric constraint, it will show that symbol on your sketch so that you can tell that they are concentric. If you click on it, it will show you. It's showing, I think, all of the lines. Anyway, it does show that symbol there, so you can see that it's concentric to stuff. Whereas with the coincident, it works the same. I'm not saying one's right or wrong over the other. Personal preference maybe, but I do use the concentric quite a bit. I enjoy it, so that's a good one. I use it a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the concentric work sketch. That is not what it is. It is a concentric sketch constraint. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please put them down below so that I can, if you have any questions, I can answer those. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear how you use the concentric constraint. If you like the videos and haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.